Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to trade stocks using the Chase mobile app step by step so you can buy and sell investments right from your phone. To get started, open the Chase mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for your investment account, which is usually listed under your Chase accounts or under a section labeled Invest or JP Morgan. Tap on your investment account to continue. Next, find and tap the option to trade or place an order. You'll be prompted to search for the stock, ETF, or investment you want to trade. Enter the company name or ticker symbol, then select it from the results. After selecting the investment, choose whether you want to buy or sell. Enter the number of shares or the dollar amount you want to trade. Then select the order type, such as a market order or a limit order, depending on how you want the trade executed. Review all the details carefully, including the price, quantity, and estimated cost. Once everything looks correct, confirm and submit the trade. The app will let you know when the order has been placed and whether it was executed immediately or is still pending. After the trade goes through, you can track your investment performance, view your holdings, and monitor market activity directly in the app. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you learn how to trade on the Chase mobile app, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.